think? Yesterday we went to the zoo and I didn't even have to wear a jacket, and today it's snowing. Thank you, Oklahoma, for being so weird. Yay! What do you think? You like whatever, I have orange in my hair. Jack.
Classic Oklahoma. Yesterday it was pretty nice that we were able to go to the zoo. Today it was like 3 inches of snow. Classic Oklahoma. Pretty snow! Okay, I don't want to die.
Say Dada. Wake him up. What are you doing? Are you coming after me now? Oh, he's taking it the whole time. Get him. Oh, you took him away from his mama?
You're okay. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Oh. You're okay.
Oh, Clint. Baby. I think it's so cute but sad whenever he's crying and he just hangs his head down. Wow.
It's a nice little workout. Oh.
Lifting 20 pounds over and over again.
He's quite dizzy.
I bet. Hey!
Lip blah.